In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add illustrative designs on Visme. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find illustrations, how to place them on your canvas, and how to fine-tune their look so they match your project's style. Start by opening Visme in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're in, head to the dashboard and select Create New Project. Choose a template that fits your format, like a presentation, infographic, or social post. Or start with a blank canvas if you want full control from the beginning. Templates are great for speeding things up, while a blank canvas gives you a clean slate. With your project open, look to the left-hand toolbar. Click on the Graphics or Illustrations tab. These sections contain a wide range of visual elements, from simple shapes and icons to more detailed characters and scenes. If you're unsure which to use, think about your goal. Icons and shapes are perfect for clean, minimal messaging, while illustrations and characters add personality and storytelling. Use the search bar to quickly find what you need. Try keywords like icons, shapes, charts, characters, or a specific theme such as education, health, or technology. Keep your style consistent by choosing visuals that share a similar line thickness, color palette, or level of detail. Consistency helps your design feel polished and intentional. When you find an illustration you like, click it once to add it to your canvas. It will appear in the center or where your cursor is placed. You can drag it to reposition it and place it near your text or images for balance. If you're building a layout, consider spacing elements evenly to create a clear visual flow. To resize the illustration, drag from a corner handle to keep proportions looking natural. If you need to rotate it, use the rotation handle above the object and pivot it gently until it aligns with your layout. For recoloring, select the illustration and look for color controls in the toolbar. Many Visme graphics let you adjust individual fills and strokes, so you can match your brand or project colors. Try using no more than 2 or 3 accent colors for a cohesive look. As you place more illustrations, aim for visual hierarchy. Larger, bolder elements should draw attention first, while smaller icons support your message. Step back occasionally, zoom out, and check balance and readability. That's it. Open Visme, start a project, browse the Graphics or Illustrations tab, search smartly, click to add, then resize, rotate, and recolor to make it yours. Happy designing!